Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. You have the image to video option, you have the text to video using Zara 2, you have the AI auto cut, and at the top here pretty much shows you how all of these features works. And you have the video generator, you have the search option here, you have the AI remover, you have the AI captions, which can auto caption in one of your videos, as well you have the AI enhancer. Although they say AI Ultra HD, but really it's AI enhancer. And as well, they do have more tools as well. If you do tap on the more options, you will see a lot of AI tools that they offer. You have AI beat, a lot of tools which they offer, guys. I'm not gonna joke. So as you can see here, you can scroll and look for whichever one of these tools you'd want. Some of them, as you can see here, you can go to the new section and see the new tools that's been added, and as well the AI based tools. Well, all of them are pretty much AI. So how to use it? So all of you just tap on the project and you can pretty much select any one of these features you want to use. You upload an image, as you can see here. Once you have done that, you'll be able to edit the image. Let's say, for example, I'm going to upload this one here, import this option here. I'll be able to edit very basic editing tools which you can use. So not just only AI features with the text to video and so forth, you can as well edit videos and edit images as well. But this will just turn the image into a video short, as you can see here. And as well as you can see all the simple editing tools which you can use. So do keep in mind you may need Pro or Pro subscription for some of these features. So do keep that in mind. And as well, once you have pretty much finished, or if you don't finish editing the video, it will show down here. And as well, you do have templates for this application. As you can see here, tap on the template option, you'll be able to see a lot of templates. You have the For You section, 2026 templates which you can use. You have a lot of different templates. You have the Christmas templates, a lot of different templates which you can use for this application here. So if I do tap on this option here, I'll be able to use the same template that this person has used. And as well, you can see the person that I've uploaded template over here. If I do tap on the profile, I'll be able to follow them and as well as see other things that they have uploaded. But I will need to log in. I haven't logged in, so I won't be able to show that part to you guys. Anyways, that's really pretty much it for the template section. So any one of these templates you want to use, all you have to do is just pretty much tap on whichever one you want to use, and you'll be able to tap on the use option, and you're pretty much good to go. So in the draft section, this is pretty much here you will see all the AI video, all the videos that you'll be pretty much trying to edit, but you didn't got to finish the edit. You can always go in the draft section here to be able to see it. And as well, all the AI videos finish once you have created them. The ones that haven't been created will be in the AI task section. And in the mine section here, you'll be able to see your AI credits. Scans here, I don't have any credits currently. And as well, I do get free features and support, but nothing much for the free features. But to get your subscription for this application here, you have to tap on the upgrade option. And as you can see here, their price is as it relates to their Pro subscription, and they have a premium subscription. So as you can see here, what we get in, you get 200 credits monthly, and you get some other templates as well. As you can see here, you get free templates. And as well as you can tap on the more details option to get more details. As you can see here, you have some other features that you'll be getting with the Pro subscription. So for the premium subscription, it's quite different. You get more stocks, more credit, and so forth. As you can see here, the prices for their subscription, pretty much everything that you'll be getting. So that's really pretty much it for your subscription. And you have a task sensor where you can pretty much get free coins as well, but you pretty much have to log in and to get access to that section. Now, to use any one of their feature, let's say for example the text video or image to video, all of the videos select whichever one you want to use. As you can see here, the text to video, the image to video, sorry. As you can see here, can also use some templates which they have provided. All of you select whichever template. Let's say for example the zoom option here, I'll be able to use this template here. And as well as you can see here, you can also enter your text as it relates to your image that you'll be going to be uploading. So that's pretty much it for that here. And you can tap on this option at the top here to see pretty much your progress as it relates to your AI generation. So that's really pretty much it for that. And you have different section as it relates to the image and video generation. As you can see here, you have the combining option that it does pretty much shows you how it pretty much works. And you have the transformation option here. As you can see here, it shows you how it works. You have the portrait sections here. And for the text to video option, as you can see here, you have a lot of templates which you can use as well. As you can see here, you have quite a lot, even the popular podcast ones which you can use. All you have to do just, let's say for example, tap on the use option and you'll be able to use the option that they have used to create that video. And as well, you have quite a lot of features for this application. This is by far one of the best, simple, decent, good layout AI application that I've come across. I would say everything is decent and clean, not gonna lie. As well, get up on the character option here. If you do have a generated character, we can just tap on this option here and upload it here. And as well, you do have another option as it relates to your character and the video style, as you can see here. But the one, once you have selected on the use option, it will pretty much upload everything for you to be able to create a similar video as this. So let's say, for example, as you can see here, you can also use SAR 2 option, but it will not work for this, the prompt that I've just selected. So I may need to use the one that was recommended. So that's really pretty much it. And as well, it will tell you how much credits needed to be generated to generate the video. And currently, I don't have any credits. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very good application, not gonna lie, one of the best that I've come across so far. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I said, can help you out.